Lex Roulston has always been active, but over the last year, his loved ones started noticing a change.
I was very tired and sleeping a lot.
Doctors determined he had aortic stenosis, or the narrowing of a heart valve obstructing blood flow.
In some patients, as they age, that valve, instead of being open as large as a garden hose, it starts to get smaller and smaller, and in some people, it approaches the size of a pencil.
Cardiothoracic surgeons like Dr. Daniel O'Hare can address the problem with a minimally invasive procedure called TAVR.
So we can deliver a valve which has been sort of mechanically collapsed. It can be put into position in the heart and then re-expanded in a manner that opens the valve and provides a new, competent valve with normal flow.
Instead of an open surgery, they feed a catheter through an artery in the groin.
He went to the cath lab, was sedated, a few punctures in the groin, a new valve put in, literally took probably 45 minutes. And then within a day or two, he's back home feeling great.
I didn't feel any pain at all. The next day I was feeling so much better. Well, I'm back to doing a whole lot of normal things.
Giving him more time for the moments that matter. You can learn more by visiting lehealth.org/heart. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.